Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I tend to try out the teleportation controls in Unity. I've used a few supporting videos. I'll share a link to that. I think it comes from a particular YouTube channel. What I try to do basically is I've built this mountainous terrain in Unity, so that I could probably navigate through the terrain using the teleportation controls. So what I'm trying to do here is try to duplicate the teleportation area under an empty. So I'm sort of spreading the teleportation area across the terrain. This is just a sample workflow, basically, to see how possible it is to actually use teleportation. But so what I'm doing here is basically to place this within the scene, and then from within the edit, I'm going to sort of navigate across from one part of the scene to the next. And it does seem that it's fine now. So what I'll do is I'll save this, making sure it doesn't break. So I'll need to go into the player settings and make a change or make sure something's set under the play mode open XR runtime to make sure it's Oculus. Otherwise, the app will break and crash, basically. Not sure why that still happens. But ultimately, so what I'm going to do now is try to run this in the headset, and then we'll have a look at what the experience looks like. We give it some time. So now it's loaded within the Unity itself. Navigate into headset, and this is what it looks like. The teleportation areas get the right material, and then I can just pull the controls and then rotate the thumbstick to select the direction and then release, and then I teleport to that particular location. So what this sort of gives me in this scenario is that I could sort of navigate this terrain anchor with a different sort of mesh. I could use a hidden mesh that doesn't have to be visible, but then the user is able to teleport around. But ultimately, this gives me the impression I could sort of navigate or inspect a scene, given the use of teleportation in the scene. The array that's showing there, I haven't sort of disabled that. It makes me able to select items, but I haven't sort of coded that in. But it also just allows me to sort of navigate onto the different areas and then inspect the mountainous view, basically. Not real. Well, I guess the next step is to be able to sort of simulate real environments and be able to sort of inspect the area. It does give a nice impression or nice experience to be able to visualize a real, well, virtual mountainous area this way. You'll see that it has glitches, and that's because I think the resolution of the terrain is quite high compared to what the Meta Quest 3 headset can manage. I mean, it's acceptable, really. It's not that bad, but again, when my finger sort of clicks a button on the laptop, it sort of freezes. I need to disable whatever it's selected to make it return to normal. But the glitch really is about, I think the headset is just trying to manage the level of detail that's rendered in the scene. Obviously, there will be some other ways to optimize this, but again, this is sort of a test just to be sure that this works. So that's rotating, that's it's sort of processing huge volumes of data. So in the next videos, I'm going to sort of push this further. It's probably going to be in an apartment, really, or maybe an apartment within the mountains. Or we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and probably see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.